Would you believe this? Have you ever met someone who looked completely ordinary? Simple clothes, no flashy car, no designer watches, only to later find out they're worth millions. Shocking, right? Well, that's because real wealth isn't loud, it's strategic. I'll unveil powerful strategies to help you live a truly wealthy life without the need to show off. You'll discover practical tips to build genuine prosperity, from mindset shifts to actionable financial habits. By the end, you'll have the tools to prioritize lasting wealth over fleeting status symbols, empowering you to build a secure financial future while living richly in every sense of the word. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. Own, not rent. Do you rent your lifestyle, or do you own it? Most people think looking rich means leasing luxury cars, renting high-rise apartments, or financing designer clothes. But let's be brutally honest. If you don't own it, you're just a paying guest in your own lifestyle. Robert Kiyosaki in Rich Dad, Poor Dad famously said, "The rich acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets." That's exactly where people go wrong. They lease cars that lose value, rent homes that build someone else's wealth, and finance a lifestyle they can't afford, all while wondering why they never feel truly rich. This isn't wealth, it's a financial illusion. Own things that grow in value, real estate, businesses, stocks, while keeping liabilities low. If you can't buy it twice, don't buy it at all. Drive a reliable car, invest in appreciating assets, and let your wealth do the talking. Because in the end, real wealth whispers, while fake wealth screams. Wealth is quiet, status is loud. Ownership equals control. If you own it, no one can take it away. Number 2. Dress smart, not flashy. Wearing designer clothes with huge logos may seem like a sign of success, but in reality, it's often a sign of someone trying too hard. The wealthy invest in timeless, high-quality pieces that last, rather than chasing trends. Instead of spending on overpriced labels, invest in versatile, well-made clothing that lasts years. It saves money and keeps attention off your wealth. Wear well-fitted clothes, stick to classic styles, and let your presence, not your price tag, do the talking. Influence isn't about what you wear. It's about how you carry yourself. Less time spent worrying about trends and more money available for investments that actually grow wealth. The goal is to be remembered for your impact, not your outfit. So next time you reach for that overpriced logo, ask yourself, am I dressing for confidence or for approval? Number 3. Drive a car that makes sense, not a statement. Ask yourself this. Would you rather own a Ferrari and struggle with monthly payments, or drive a reliable car while having millions in the bank? Studies show that 61% of millionaires drive used cars, brands like Toyota, Honda, and Ford. Even Jeff Bezos was driving a Honda Accord when he was worth billions. The rich know that a car is a tool, not a trophy. A luxury car comes with higher insurance, maintenance, and depreciation costs, money that could be making them richer elsewhere. Buy a car that's fuel efficient, reliable, and within your budget. If it gets you from point A to B safely, that's all that matters. More money saved on unnecessary expenses equals more cash to invest in real wealth-building assets. Number 4. Let your wealth speak, not your words. Ever noticed how truly wealthy people rarely boast about their bank balances? That's because money is like power. The more you have, the less you need to prove it. Most people love to flex, whether it's telling friends how much they make, bragging about expensive purchases, or posting their rich lifestyle on social media. What's the result? Jealousy, fake friendships, and even financial sabotage. Warren Buffett once said, "If you tell people you're rich, they'll want a piece. If they think you're struggling, they'll offer advice." The rich know this secret. Money talks best when it's silent. If you want to be truly rich, move in silence, invest smartly, and let people wonder how you did it. Instead of telling your relatives about your salary hike, use that extra money to invest in assets. Instead of flexing on social media, learn how to multiply your income streams. Real power is in financial independence, not validation from others. So ask yourself, do you want to be truly wealthy or just look wealthy online? Number 5. Be generous, but without publicity. True generosity doesn't need a spotlight. If your charity needs an audience, is it really generosity or just an ego boost? Yet, many people make the mistake of flaunting their donations, posting on social media, expecting applause, or using charity as a status symbol. When you give for validation, it's no longer about helping others. It's about feeding your own pride. Want to give like the rich? Do it without seeking credit. Help a struggling friend anonymously. Support a local cause without broadcasting it, and invest in people who truly need it. Real wealth isn't about looking good, it's about doing good. And the best part? When you give without expectation, the universe has a way of multiplying it back. Number 6. Control technology. Don't let it control you. Technology can either make you rich or keep you broke. It all depends on how you use it. Most people let technology enslave them, endlessly scrolling social media, chasing likes, and flexing fake wealth online. The problem: instead of using technology to create opportunities, they use it for distraction. Technology should be a tool, not a trap. But today, most people are trapped, wasting hours on dopamine-driven apps while wondering why they aren't progressing financially. Wealthy people, on the other hand, use technology to automate investments, build businesses, and acquire knowledge. The rich scroll for opportunities. The broke scroll for entertainment. Want to use technology wisely? Turn your phone into an asset. Follow financial experts instead of influencers. Use budgeting apps instead of shopping apps. And invest in online skills rather than wasting hours on mindless entertainment. Technology is a tool, not a toy. Use it for growth, not just entertainment. Control your screen time. Control your future. The less you waste, the more you earn. Number 7. Stay hungry even when you're full. The biggest mistake people make after achieving some success: they slow down, thinking they've made it. The moment you stop pushing forward, you start falling behind. Jeff Bezos didn't stop after making his first billion. He kept building Amazon into a trillion-dollar empire. The rich don't retire early to relax. They keep working, innovating, and expanding because wealth isn't about hitting a number. It's about staying in motion. If you want to stay rich, never stop learning, growing, and creating value. Instead of celebrating too soon, reinvest in your skills, start new ventures, and keep setting bigger goals. Success is a moving target, and the moment you get comfortable, someone hungrier will overtake you. So ask yourself, do you want to be rich for a moment or wealthy for a lifetime? Comfort is the enemy of greatness. The moment you stop growing, you start declining. The rich don't stop working. They evolve. Wealth is built on continuous action. Real wealth isn't about showing off. It's about control over your time, money, and choices. The wealthiest people in the world blend in, stay humble, and focus on growing their wealth silently. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest takeaway? From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.